Hello, this is the screencast for the Maze game extension. So I'm gonna start with this little change I made here in the class Maze board. I just made the Maze cell public, which is the array of cells in the board. So the big change I made like bomb jewels that it's a 1 out of 10 chance that the jewel, like once a player finds a jewel, there's 1 out of 10 chance that the jewel will be a bomb. So what I do is I get a random number from 0 to 9, so that's the numbers. And then if the number equals 7, lucky number, and the player doesn't have a shield, I'll go into that later, then you get 5 points off. And then I get the coordinates for that player, and then I set all the worlds around them to true. So the bomb blows up, takes you 5 points off, and blows up the walls. If it's not 7, then it does what it did before. So here's my maze player. I just added to the abstract class, I added a boolean value, which is shield. So this is like a 2 out of 5 chance. There's 2 out of 5 chance that once you create a player, it'll have a shield or it won't have a shield. So I wrote this code, then I went to shower, and then I thought of more stuff. So I'm gonna make some changes here right now. I should add that the shield is gone. So player that get named of shield should be false. Also, I thought I could make the shield protect the player from losing points, but not from blowing the walls. So I could do I'll take this off. If it is a jewel, if player doesn't have a shield, then takes points off. That works just as fine. So if it is 7, then it is a bomb. If the player has a shield, if the player doesn't have a shield, then it takes 5 points off. If it does have a shield, it won't take 5 points off, but it blow up the walls. So let's run it. Why is this thing here? Great, I'll just move this a little bit lower. Okay. So you can really see what's going on. So I'm gonna print, let's do else shielded. Oh, of course, semicolon. And then I'm gonna do like here, bomb. I got it before. Now let's save and run. So apparently no shields this time. Get all the bombs. Let's try again. Bomb. Here, shielded. Let's try it again. Feel like the odds for a shield are too small. I could change that if I wanted, but yep, that's part of the fun. That's it. Goodbye.